How do I seal my silver to prevent tarnishing?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll be discussing how to seal your silver to prevent it from tarnishing. Tarnishing is a common issue with silver items, caused by the metal reacting with sulfur in the air. But don't worry, there are simple and effective methods to prevent it and keep your silver shining.
Why does silver tarnish?
To understand why it's important to seal your silver, you first need to understand why silver tarnishes. Silver tarnishes due to a chemical reaction with sulfur particles present in the air, resulting in silver sulfide, a black substance that can dull your precious silver items. This is more commonly referred to as tarnish.
What materials do you need to seal silver?
Before we dive into the process, let's discuss the materials you'll need. To seal your silver, you'll require the following. 1. A clean, lint-free cloth. 2. Mild dish soap. 3. Water. 4. Polyurethane sealer or lacquer. 5. A soft brush. 6. Rubber gloves. Always ensure you handle your silver with clean hands and minimal contact to prevent the transfer of oils that may hasten tarnishing.
How do you clean silver before sealing?
Before you seal your silver, you must ensure it's clean and free from existing tarnish. Follow these steps. 1. Wash the silver gently using warm water and mild dish soap. 2. Dry the silver thoroughly with a lint-free cloth. Ensure that there is no moisture left, as this can damage the sealant.
How do you apply the sealant?
Once the silver is clean and dry, you can apply the sealant. 1. Put on your gloves to protect your hands and prevent oils from transferring to the silver. 2. Dip the soft brush into the sealer and lightly brush it onto the silver item, ensuring you cover all areas. 3. Allow the sealant to dry as per the manufacturer's instructions. 4. For a more durable finish, apply a second coat after the first one has fully dried. Remember, less is more when it comes to sealant. A thin, even layer will protect your silver without altering its appearance. And that's it. With these steps, you can effectively seal your silver to prevent tarnishing and keep your items looking their best for longer. Remember, it's important to handle your silver items with care and clean them gently to prevent damage. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to protect your precious silver. Thank you for watching and happy sealing!